So we're on video. We're on video. So today we're making a video about a salamander. Oh, it's a salamander moving. Cool. I know she's moving. That's a moving. Now I'm chicken. That's it. I want you to Time to. I'll sit next to it. Can I sit next to you?
Yeah, if you clear everything, but you have to have a place to put it. You can't put it on the ground.
Get over there. Time to leave, Dan. It's time to leave. Nice neck. When can I sit? Back here. That's my cat. Stop, little kitty. I wish I could. Sure. It would be
Don't.
feels slimy. It feels so slimy. It feels so slimy. They're holding a top. It feels yucky.
You don't let it fall.
No.
What? No, I got it. I got it. Ah, get it up! Get it up! Get it up! Literally. It's so cute. And I let it go because it was freaky. Because it was about to bite me. And I didn't want it to bite me. No biting.
They don't bite.
Bye.